So welcome my dear students. Today we are going to solve the remaining problems in the exercise 4.3. Question number 7. Prove that 2ncn is equal to 2 power n into 1 into 3 into etc. 2n minus 1 by n factorial. So look at here, the hint is present in the question answer. 1 into 3 into 2n, first n odd natural numbers. Okay. So take the LHS alone first. 2ncn. We know the formula NCR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Here put n equal to 2n, r equal to n. So 2n factorial by 2n minus n factorial into n factorial. N factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Okay. So 2n factorial means 2n into 2n minus 1, okay, into 2n minus 2, etc. Okay. So what we are getting? 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. By 2n minus n is n factorial into n factorial. Okay. So the question is, hint is present in the question itself. So we have to separate odd numbers and even numbers. Okay. So first if we take even numbers, 2n, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 4, etc. 2, set of even numbers. Okay. Similarly odd, 1 into 3 into 5, or you can start it from here, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3, etc. 3 into 1 by n factorial into n factorial. So here 2, all the values having 2, all the values are multiple of 2, even number means multiple of 2. So if we take 2 from the first one, 2 from the second one, so 2 into 2 into 2, how many times? N times. So 2n by 2, n times. So it is nothing but this 2 power n. So remaining n into n minus 1 into n minus 2, etc. 1. Okay. So here 1 into 3 into 5 into etc. 2n minus 1. Okay. By n factorial into n factorial. So 1 into 2 into 3 into up to n, product of first n natural numbers, it is n factorial. These two are cancelled. So it is nothing but the RHS. 2 power n into 1 into 3 into 5 into etc. 2n minus 1 by n factorial. That is question number 7. Question number 8. Prove that if 1 less than or equal to r less than or equal to n into n minus 1 c r minus 1 is equal to n minus r plus 1 into n c r minus 1. Okay. So obviously take the LHS. So n into n minus 1 c r minus 1. So keep n. Remaining, apply the formula n c r, n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. In the place of n we have n minus 1. So n minus 1 factorial by n minus 1 minus r minus 1 factorial, n minus r factorial, okay, into r minus 1 factorial. So n into n minus 1 factorial by, okay, we multiply inside, what we are getting? So n minus 1 minus r, here it becomes plus 1, that minus 1 and plus 1 cancel. So n minus r minus 1 plus 1 factorial into r minus 1 factorial. Okay. So n into n minus 1 factorial by n minus r, okay, n minus r factorial into r minus 1 factorial. So my dear student, the hint is present in the question itself. We need n minus r plus 1. Okay. So multiply and divide by the same value. So n into n minus r plus 1 into what is that, n minus 1 factorial by n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial into r minus 1 factorial. So listen my dear student, this n minus r plus 1, take it outside, into n minus 1 factorial is n factorial. Okay, take it outside, n into n minus 1 factorial n factorial, and this n minus r plus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial, n minus of r plus 1 factorial, okay, into r minus 1 factorial. So n minus r plus 1, it is nothing but ncr minus 1, because in the place of n we have n and in the place of r we have r minus 1. So into ncr minus 1, that is the RHS. Okay, and question number, sorry, it is question number 8. Okay, and question number 9. Question number 9. Okay, my dear student, there are 5 subdivisions are there. The first subdivision is a Kabaddi coach has 14 players ready to play. How many different teams of 7 players could the coach put on the court? Okay, so now listen, my dear student. Our aim is to select 7 students out of 7 players out of 14 players. Okay, obviously this can be done in 14C7 ways. Okay, so here we can write out of 14 players, the team of 7 players can be selected in 14C7 ways. Okay, 14C7 ways. Okay, so find out the value for 14C7. I think we know the value for 14C7. Okay, n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial, or simply you can write numerator 7 values, denominator 7 values, numerator decreasing from 14 and denominator increasing from 1. So 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8. So 2, 4, 6, 7. So 7 numbers over. It is the hint. Denominator also the 7 values, but increasing from 1. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 7. Okay. So 7 values over. So 2, 7, 14 cancel, and 4, 3, 12 cancel. Okay. And 5 here 2 times. Okay. So what are the values remaining? 13 into 22 into 9, 7, 9 8s are 72. So what is that? 13 into 22 into my dear student, I forgot to write 6 here. So 6 into 7, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7. Okay. So 7 into 2, 14 cancel. 3 into 4, 12 cancel. Okay. And 1 times, 2 times 5. Okay. So here 1 time, here 3 times. Okay. And here 3 times, here also 3 times. So 13 into 11 into 24. So 13 into 11 into 24. So my dear student, if you find out the answer, we are getting 3432. So the number of possible teams of 7 players is 3432. The second subdivision is, there are 15 persons in a party, and if each 2 of them shakes hands with each other, how many handshakes happen in the party? It is very easy one. For each handshake, 2 persons needed. So there are 15 persons. It can be done in 15C2 ways. The number of handshakes, second subdivision, number of handshakes is equal to 15C2. A very easy one. Already told you, no need to use the formula n factorial by, you can use the shortcut. So 2, numerator 2 numbers, denominator 2 numbers. Here increasing, decreasing from 15. Here increasing from 1. So 7 times. So what is 15 into 7? I think it is 105. The number of handshakes is 105. Question number 3. How many cards can be drawn through 20 points in a circle? Listen, my dear student. We need to know the definition of chord. Okay. So chord means the lines joining of any 2 points on the chord in the circle means line joining of any 2 points on the circle. So given that there are 20 points in the circle, therefore subdivision 3 total number of cards is equal to 20C2. That's all. Okay. 20 into 19 by 1 into 2. Okay. So 10. So we are getting 190. So that is subdivision 3. Subdivision 4. In a parking lot, 101-year-old cars are parked. Out of them, 101 the parking lot 101-year-old cars are parked. 101-year-old cars are parked. Out of them, 5 are to be chosen at random for to check its pollution devices. How many different sets of 5 cars can be chosen? My dear students, there are 100 cars. Okay, 100 cars of 1-year-old parked in the parking lot. Here they are going to inspect randomly any 5. So the number of possibilities. Okay, so out of 5 cars, different number of set of 5 cars. The different set of 5 cars is equal to 100 C5. They are selecting. Okay, they are selecting 5 from the 100. So in your book they written simply 100 C5. My dear student, if you want you can write 5 is the hint. So 100 into 99 into 98 into 97 into 96 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Okay. If you want you can simplify and find out the answer. If we simplify, I think we get the answer as 15057,504, but it is not required. In your book it is simply given as 100 C5. Okay. Question subdivision 5. How many ways can a team of 3 boys, 2 girls and 1 transgender be selected from 5 boys, 4 girls and 2 transgenders? Okay. So we are going to select 3 from the 5. Totally there are 5 boys, we are going to select 3. Okay, and girls, totally there are 4 girls, we are going to select 2. Okay, and there are 2 transgenders, we are going to select only 1. 2 transgenders, we are going to select only 1. Okay, so number of boys can be selected in 5C3 ways, and girls be 4C2 and transgender be 2C1. Okay. So we need all the things. So total number of selections, subdivision 5, total number of selections equal to, we need all the things. So 5C3 into 4C2 into 2C1. So 5C3 is equal to 5C2. Okay. So we can write it as 5 into 4 by 1 into 2. So it is nothing but 5C3 is equal to 5C2. So 5 into 4 by 1 into 2. So it is nothing but 10 into 4C2. Okay. 4 into 3 by 1 into 2. It is 6. 2C1 is 2. So what is that? 10 into 6 into 2. So 120. So total number of selections equal to 120. Okay. So now question number 10. Find the total number of subsets of a set with 4 elements. Subdivision 1, subdivision 2, 5 elements, subdivision 3, n elements. So my dear student, here they are using the result of binomial theorem. We are going to learn in the next chapter. Anyway, know it. The sum of the coefficients in the expansion, that means NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 plus etc. NCn is equal to 2 power n. Okay. NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 plus etc. NCn is 2 power n. Okay. So here the question is find the total number of subsets. So total number of subsets having 4 elements means we can select nothing, that is 4C0. We can select one subset with one element, that is 4C1. We can select two elements, 4C2, 4C3, 4C4. Okay. So we need all the subsets. So sum of all the things. So that's why we are using this formula NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 plus NCn equal to 2 power n. Here simply, my dear student, you can use the shortcut. Okay. The total number of first subdivision, there are 4 elements. Okay. So the total number of subsets equal to already written 4C0 from 4C1 plus 4C2 plus 4C3 plus 4C4. It is nothing but 2 power n. So 2 power 4. I think all you know what is 2 power 4. So it is nothing but 16. Okay. And similarly, if you want the second subdivision, 5 elements. Okay. So if 5C0 plus 5C1 plus 5C2 plus 5C3 plus 5C4 plus 5C5 in the shortcut is, okay. So again write the total number of subset for 5 elements. Okay. 5 elements equal to 5C0 plus 5C1 plus 5C2 plus 5C3 plus 5C4 plus 5C5. It is nothing but 2 power 5, 32. Okay. Similarly, the subdivision 3 is n elements. Therefore, in general, the answer is 2 power n. You can write this formula and write it is equal to 2 power n. Okay. Or if you want to find out the concept, means 4C1 is 4C0 is 1, 4C1 is 4, 4C2 is 6, 4C3 is also 4 and 4C4 is 1. So totally we can get 16. Similarly for that one. Okay. It is question number 10. So we completed. Now the question number 11 is, a trust has 25 members. How many ways 3 officers can be selected? First subdivision. Second subdivision, in how many ways can a president, vice president and a secretary be selected? So my dear student, listen. So totally there are 25 members. How many ways 3 officers can be selected means 11 subdivision 5. There are total 25. We are selecting 3. So the number of ways in which the 3 officers can be selected. The number of ways in which the 3 officers can be selected in what is that? 25 C3. So which is equal to 25 into 24 into 23 by 1 into 2 into 3. Okay. What we have to write? So 2 into 3 we have to cancel and simplify, otherwise leave, that is the answer. So if we simplify, what we are getting, multiply and find out. So in your book it is written, that's all, 25C3. No, the simplification is not given. If you want, you can find out. The second subdivision, in how many ways can the president, vice president and secretary be selected? So first if we take all the 25, the president can be selected in 25 ways. So remaining 24, the vice president can be selected in 24 ways. Remaining 23, the secretary can be selected in 23 ways. So all we needed. So here my dear student, write, the president can be selected in 25 ways and the vice president can be selected in 24 ways and the secretary can be selected in 23 ways. Therefore, total number of ways equal to 25 into 24 into 23, or you can select, write shortly 25 P3.